Now, this is the fifth video lecture of Social Science, Class 8, in which we are studying chapter number 1, Socio-Religious Reforms. In the previous classes, we have discussed about many of the social reformers, their contribution in transforming our society. But we have to remember that those social reformers were mainly confined to transformation of the Hindu community, or we can say Hindu society. In this video lecture, we are going to study about the reformation in the Muslim community. Now, in the early part of 19th century, social and religious reforms were initiated in Muslim community also. Just like in the Hindu community, the Muslim community also were started the process of reforming themselves. And this reformation in social and religious structure took place under the leadership of people like Haji Shariatullah from Bengal and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan from Uttar Pradesh. These were the two main prominent Muslim leaders that took the leadership in the transformation or inspired the people for the transformation of their Muslim community. They were motivated by the preachings of the religious leader Shah Waliullah of Delhi. So both these leaders were very much motivated, or they were inspired by the preachings or teachings of their religious leader Shah Waliullah of Delhi. According to them, both the leaders agreed, and many of the reformers in the Muslim community, they felt that Islam was becoming weaker in India, and hence the Britishers were able to rule in our nation. They also felt that Islam was getting corrupted. So, to transform or to remove that kind of corruption from to make the Islamic religion more strength, give more strength, they started the Wahhabi movement in order to strengthen Islamic religion and culture. For that process, for the betterment or giving a strength to the Islamic religion and culture, and to propagate and make or bring new ideas to the Muslim community, they started the Wahhabi movement. And after that, when the process started, many Muslim people or youth of the country started acquiring English education due to the impact of Wahhabi movement. Now, one of the significant leaders from this Muslim community was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan from Rai Bareli and from Uttar Pradesh. So, he was from the district of Rai Bareli in Uttar Pradesh, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in an aristocratic family. He was born in the year 1817 and died in 1898. He made a significant progress or made a significant contribution in the development and reformation of Muslim community. He was an employee in the British East India Company. When the revolt of 1857 was going on, he was working as an employee of the British East India Company. Also, after his retirement, he went to England, and there he was very much impressed or motivated by the ideas of the Western education, by the liberal thought of the people from there, and therefore he started a magazine called Tehzeeb ul Akhlaq in 1870, and in that newspaper he expressed his ideas and the ideas that he got from the West, the liberal ideas he wanted to propagate in the Muslim society or Muslim community. Also, he was famous for the Aligarh movement, and he established the Aligarh Muslim College in 1875, which is a significant achievement of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and now we know Aligarh Muslim University by the name. So, Aligarh Muslim University was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, which is a prestigious university of our nation. Also, he translated many books of English literature and science into Urdu language so that the Muslims will become familiar with the ideas from the West. Also, many social reforms were advocated by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, including girls' education and widow remarriage. He also strongly opposed the burqa system, which is a tradition in Islamic religion, or we can say the Muslim community, their women's wear burqa. So that he was against this burqa pratha and suggested or reformed many things for the betterment of girls' education and also for widow remarriage. So we can say that he was the main spearhead of the reformation process in the Muslim community. So in the next video, we will discuss about one of the great social reformers of our state, that is from the state of Gujarat, about Amrit Lal Thakkar, who is known as popularly Thakkar Bapa.